time is it?
It is 4:44 a.m. right now. Belly is going hardcore beast mode.
What? Fucking get in the fucking water. Have a great fucking day. Oh, okay. Get in the water.
Chewing on a piece of grass, walking down the road. Tell me how long you gonna stay here, Joe? Venture highway in the sunshine, where the days are longer, the nights are stronger than moonshine.
Hey, vlog! Ice bucket challenge! Wait, get it!
As the free wind is blowing through your hair, and the days surround your daylight there. Seasons crying no despair, alligator lizards in the air.
Hello, this is John the Baptist, back with another baptism. Purity with our it's okay. What up, bellycopters? It's 6:30 about. We're gonna go hit the water for a little sunrise sail because the wind's a little scary today. Final anchorage of our trip as we take on the Sea of Cortez.
The night skies are like shooting stars. Memories of a stretch out, wish right out. Okay, Sophie, what are you doing?
I'm plucking my eyebrows.
Belly's lovely mirror setup. I'm like, oh gosh.